All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to HUC. So let's quickly do this high fade now. I want to demonstrate it. Please, if today is your first time seeing my channel, my pages, please do well to follow, like, comment, and share. Let other people to benefit from this video. So today now, I want to demonstrate it. I want you to calm down and watch this video so that you understand everything. This haircut is not hard. It's very, very simple. It's just that some barbers will not show you the easiest part. So I'm going to show you the easiest part now. Make sure you share this video. Don't forget to be part of this family. The first guideline now, this hair now, I've been cutting this hair. The first thing you need to do is to brush down the hair. Once you brush it down like this, to see how the hair texture is, to see how the hair grows. Do you understand? After brushing the hair now, look at it very well. See, this hair is going to stop here. It's going to stop here. So the first guideline is going to be on skin. It's going to be on skin level. So starting from here to here, watch it very well. It's going to be skin. You join the blade together. This is theory aspect. Pay attention, take your time and watch this video. It's not easy to make tutorial for you, for people to watch. Calm down. If you watch this video from beginning to the end and you cannot be able to cut this head, that means barbing is not for you. Pay attention and watch this thing very well. So starting from here to here is going to be on total skin. Then starting from here to here is going to be on what? Low cut level. You know, the hair is going to stop here. So starting from here is going to be on step 1, which will give us the final blending. Watch it very well. This is Afro round cut. You can also call it high fade. Watch this thing very well. Some of you may be saying that I've been cutting this kind of hairstyle since. Yes, I'll keep on cutting so that you perfect it. You understand it very well. It's very, very simple. It's not hard. So this is the theory aspect. Starting from here to here is going to be on skin level. You join the blade together, join it together like this. You skin it. After skinning it, the second guideline is going to be on low cut level. You bring the gel down, you open it. After you open it, you create the second guideline. The third guideline is going to be on step 1. This is it. It's going to be on step 1. You put your clipper, you create it. You create the third guideline, which is going to give you the final blending. Do you understand what I'm saying, guys? So after you created the third guideline, which is on step 1, then you blend it. It's very, very simple. It's not hard. Whoever that tells you that barbering is hard, that person doesn't want you to know this work. Barbering is very, very simple. That is why you cannot be part of this family. You cannot be part of HUC family and you not be able to cut this kind of hairstyle. You know why I do it? Theory and practical. This is the theory aspect. All of you that say that I'm talking too much, please, if you know that you know everything, just leave it. Let other people to learn. My channel is all for what? Beginner barbers. Do you understand? Go to my YouTube if you have not been following me. That is why I put longer videos that you will learn everything. Go and subscribe, turn your notification bell on. My Facebook, my TikTok, the same name, High Universal Code. Be part of this family and you never regret it. So let's dive into the practical aspect now. Now I've demonstrated the theory aspect. The first guideline is going to be on what? On skin level. Here's going to be skin. You join the blade together. Make sure you sterilize your clipper. I've done that already. You turn your clipper on. Set it very well. Let the two blade join together so that it will not injure your customer. You skin it. Slow and steady. Don't rush it. Whenever you are cutting someone's hair, please don't rush it. You follow it accordingly. You follow it. Follow it accordingly. When you get to this place, please don't skin it like this. You are going to injure the person. You turn your hand upward. You carry it up. You carry it up. Make sure you brush it. After you carry it up, then you skin it like this. Can you see what I'm doing? Please pay attention very well. This barbing is very, very simple. Barbing is very, very simple. I'm not telling you to give me money. The only thing I want you to do for me, once you watch this video and you benefit anything from it and you like it, share. Let other people learn from this. Please don't be stingy. Because if I'm stingy, I won't be putting out these things here. Please. So after you have created the first guideline, can you see it? I followed it where I stopped the drawing. The second guideline now is going to be on what? Low cut level. You open the blade like this. You bring the gel down. follow it according. This is tutorial purpose. Watch it very well. Make sure you brush it. Can you see it? Now there is something I want to show us. Can you see it? After you have created the second guideline, the third guideline now, we are not going to do it yet. We are going to clean up this line. You know, the line in between first guideline and second guideline. We are going to clean it up. How will you clean it up? You join the blade together. Don't join it finish as if you want to shape hair. Open it a little bit. I call it semi-low cut. Open it a little bit so that once you clean this line, it will not be showing line again. Then anywhere that you see another line, then you close it finish. Pay attention. If you have been following me by now, you're supposed to know the level you have gotten in barbering. Do you understand? So you follow it like this. Use the edge. Can you see it? After you have removed it finish, then you join the blade together. You join it finish. You remove the any remaining line that you see there. You clean it off. Can you see that it's going gradually? Can you see it? Can you see it? Now, after you have gotten it like this, you have gotten the shape. The next thing you need to do now is to create the third guideline, which is going to be on step one. Like I said earlier, you put it, you bring the gear down. Let it be on low cut level. Bring it down. You follow it accordingly. Don't rush it. Don't let it to go too up. Can you see where this head stop? That is where we are going to stop it. Follow it accordingly, step by step. Take your time to watch this video from beginning to the end. You will see changes in your barbering. Can you see it? After that, you put it on what? Skin. You bring the gear up. You still under step one. Now, watch very well. Watch closely. Watch. Can you see that this hair is not that bushy? So I'm not going to use step 1.5 on this. I'm going to use only step 1. So how are you going to use it? You join the blade, you open the blade, bring the gear down, you open it. Once you open it, you turn your hand like this, you blend it. You turn your hand like this, you follow it like this. Can you see what I'm doing? So you follow it like this, see the way I'm blending it. Can you see how my hand is going? Can you see it? As if you are brushing hair down. Can you see it? As if you are brushing the hair down. Don't let it go up too much. This is rank cut, afro rank cut, or you call it high fade. I'm going to make a video and I'll tell you all the names of haircuts so that you won't get confused. Can you see it? After you have gotten the shape, the next thing you need to do now is to still put it under low cut level. Under step 1, you turn your hand upward again. You blend it. Can you see what I'm doing? This thing is very, very simple. Make sure you share this video. Don't be stingy. If you watch it and learn something, benefit anything from it, share it. There is no how you'll be following my pages, my channel, following my tutorial, the procedures, that you will not be able to cut this hair. There is no how. Can you see it? Can you see? Can you see that the blending has come out? Can you see it? After you have gotten the shape that you want, can you see it now? Can you see it? After you have gotten the shape that you want, you remove the step one. You remove the step one, you put it under low cut level. You do what you are going to do now is what we call freehand blending. You turn it on, you brush it like this. You brush it like this. You brush it like this. Can you see what I'm doing, guys? You brush it like this. Some of you that always saying that you should comb the hair, it's not everybody that wants their hair to be combed. Do you understand? So sometimes you leave it the way the customer want. Don't just go out and do your own. Can you see it? After you bring it down like this, you blend it like this. Can you see that I'm not going up? You have to take your time. Can you see what I'm doing? Take your time to blend it very well. Don't rush it. Don't rush your customer when you are cutting their hair. This is tutorial purpose. That is why the video is getting long. And I don't want this video to be too long. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share. Follow me on TikTok. Follow me on Facebook and my YouTube. Make sure you subscribe. Join my membership pack to support us. So all this one that I'm doing now is they call it miscellaneous. So that is why sometimes you see some haircut online, you'll be like, wow, it's good. They are not showing you the process, how they come about it. But HUC, how Universal Cut is going to show you everything. Can you see it? It's very, very simple. Can you see it? It's very, very, very simple. I don't want this video to be too long. So we're done. Can you see it? Then you put it on low cut level. You trim it like this. The outgrowth ones. Can you see it? You trim it like this. Can you see what I'm doing, guys? This is it. It's very, very simple. Very, very simple. I told you that barbering is very, very simple. It's very, very sweet. Once you have passion for it. Ah yes, 1 week, 2 weeks. It's supposed to be barbering, cutting people's hair. Can you see it? Is it not simple? It's very, very simple and short. So whoever that tells you that barbering is hard, please don't mind the person. That person wants to discourage you. So this is it. I love you guys. Make sure you share. Let other people to learn from this. Don't be stingy. If I'm stingy, I won't be showing you all this in step by step. So this is it. Let's stop it here. Can you see? This is how to cut high fade. The way you do it here is the same way you do the other side. Do you understand? I love you guys. HUC got you.